Did you send the image?
Yes, sir, I sent, sir.
Okay. Anurag, are you done?
Yes, yes.
Okay, David. A is to B is
Sir,
5
I
is to
have
6, B is to C is 8 is to 9, A, B, C is 5 is to 6 is to X. So you have considered these four values. X is to 6 is equal to 9 is to 8. That's great. X by 6 is equal to 9 by 8. So X is equal to 6 9 ja 54 by 8. Okay. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. 27 by 4. Correct. Correct. ABC is equal to 5 is to 6 is to 27 by 4. 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24 and 27. Perfect, David. Perfect. And Anurag?
Sir, my answer is also same.
Did you send the image?
Yes, yes.
Why your image remains blurred always? Okay, this is your work, Anurag. A is to B, 5 is to 6, B is to C, 8 is to 9, B is 8, C is 9, B is 1, 9 by 8, C is 6, 9 by 8 into 6, 27 by 4. That's also correct. Why didn't you apply the shortcut I taught? Apply shortcut in this place. Your work will be precise. Okay? Good work.
Sir, I thought that this was shorter form.
I taught you just before this question. Okay. So A is to B is given 5 is to 6 and B is to C is 8 is to 9, right? 8 is to 9.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to find A is to B is to C, you can put X here in this place. If you want to find A is to B is to C, in this only, no need to write here. It is your choice. You can write here in this next line also, or you can write C here itself, and in this place you can write X here in this place. So anyhow you can manage in this way. Okay, I am managing in this way. This is C and this missing value I take X, and now I look at this pair of values. X is to 6 equals 9 is to 8. So X by 6 equals 9 by 8, and that means X becomes equal to 9 into 6 by 8. 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 27 by 4. And so if you want to find A is to B is to C, it is 5 6 X, 5 6 and X, that means 27 by 4. So take the LCM of all the denominators, but we have only one denominator, so LCM is 4 itself. Multiply each part of the ratio with LCM 4. So 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, and this becomes 27 only, and that's the final answer. Very good, both of you performed very well. Well done. That's great. Now are you ready for the next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the next question of our worksheet. Our worksheet. Next question is here. The angles of ages of A and B are in the ratio 5:7. There are two persons, A and B. Their ages are 5:7. 8 years ago, their ages were in the ratio 7:13. Find their present ages. Did you try this, David?
Yes, sir.
Anurag, can you try this now?
Sir, I have a problem in this. We can take age of the first person as X, then what should the age of second person be?
Wait. Here is our question and we have to solve it. See, A and B. A and B were in the ratio 5:7. There were two persons, A and B, and their ages were in the ratio 5:7. We don't know their exact ages, but we know their ages were in the ratio 5:7. 8 years ago. What does it mean by 8 years ago?
8 years back, sir.
8 years back. And how do we maintain it in the mathematics? How do we maintain it? Just subtract it. Yes. So, how do we handle the ratio? How do we handle the ratio? We take the age of A to be 5x. Let age of A to be 5x. Means we have to find the constant of proportionality. We have to consider a constant of proportionality. Suppose the constant of proportionality is x. If we don't know the constant of proportionality, we don't know the exact ages. The ratio of the ages is given, but we don't know the exact ages. What is the exact age of A and what is the exact age of B? We don't know. So we have to consider any constant of ratio. I am considering x for the constant of ratio. Constant of ratio, or you can say constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality. Okay. Since x is constant of proportionality, so age of A is 5x and age of B is 7 times x. So 5x years is the age of A, 7x years is the age of B. Now it is talking about 8 years back. So let's consider their ages 8 years back. 8 years back. A was 5x minus 8 years, right?
Yes,
Right?
yes, sir.
Because his present age is 5x. Presently he is 5x years. 8 years back was 5x minus 8. And B was 7x minus 8. Right? So these were the ages 8 years back. But what question is telling? See, read over the question. Question gives you some conditions. What question is telling? 8 years ago, their ages were in the ratio 7:13. That means the ratio of these two ages should be what? 7:13. This is what question is telling. The ratio of these two ages 8 years back was equal to 7:13. So we will write according to question, ATQ, according to question, this 5x minus 8 is to this 7x minus 8. 5x minus 8 upon 7x minus 8 must be equal to what? 7 by 13. Does this make sense to both of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. And then we have got an equation here. This is basically our equation. Whenever we get an equation, we should be happy because we can solve it easily and we can find the missing value. Exactly. So we can do the cross multiplication, like 13 times 5x minus 8. Okay, do one thing. I'm not going to solve it. Now it's your turn. I'll wait.
Yes, yes.
Do it and send the image.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes, sir. I'm done.
Sir,
Okay.
I am on last.
Okay, send the image quickly.
Sir, I'm done, sir.
Okay, send the image. Send the image quickly. I'm waiting. You are getting late.
Yes, sir.
Okay, David, got your image?
Yes, sir. I have seen, sir.
Yes, I got it. I'm telling I got it. Anurag, what happened? Anurag, what happened?
Sir, I have also sent.
Okay. Anurag, your answer here, 7 times 7x minus 8 is equal to 13 times 5x minus 8. Okay, you have done cross multiplication correctly. 7 7 is 49x minus 7 8 is 56, 65x minus 104, correct? 49x minus 56, 65. Okay, you have transposed it to the left side, that's good. And 56 minus 104. 49 minus 65 is minus 16. And this is minus 48. That's good. So x is equal to 3. That's good, but this is not your final answer. You have found just x. It is asking for their present ages.
Ages. On
You did
the
not
right
find the
side.
present ages.
Sir, I wrote ages on the right side.
Yeah, that is available. Okay, age of A is 5x, so 15 years, and age of B is 7x, 7 3 is 21 years. Okay, that's correct. Okay, perfect. Now, David, your answer. So you have cross multiplied 13 5 ja 65x minus 13 8 ja 104, 7 7 ja 49x minus 7 8 ja 56. That's good. 65x minus 49x is equal to 104 minus 56. David, your presentation is not correct here. And you have not written after subtraction. 65x minus 49x is 16x. You did not write it. 104 minus 56 is 48. You did not write it. And then you have to write x is equal to 48 by 16. 48 by 16. But you have written 16 by 48. That is not very good. David,
Yes, sir.
you need to be careful about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 13 times 5x minus 8, 7 times 7x minus 8. Sixty-five x minus 104 is equal to 49x minus 56. 65x and 49x will be subtracted here. We get 16x and 104 goes there. Positive 104 minus 56 is 48. So x is equal to 48 by 16, that is 3. And since we have got the value of x, we can substitute. We have got the constant of proportionality 3. Now we can multiply 3 to each of them. So 5 times 3, 15 years is age of A, and 7 times 3, that is 21 years is the age of B. So we have got the present ages of A and B. Age is equal to 5 times 3, that is 15 years, and B's age is equal to 7 times 3, that is 21 years, and that's the final answer. Any cross question?
No question, sir.
Understood? Anurag and David both?
Yes, sir, I understood.
That's great.